Anthony, how was it? Was it good? See how you stayed straight on it? You like it? You tired? You'll do it again?
Yeah.
You're awesome, man.
Cindy,
See, I'm telling you. You're so good. I'm gonna take you this time. We're gonna see it on the computer. Come this way here. Yeah. Here. Wait till they go. Hold on. Hold on. Sit down first. Like I said, sit down with your feet in front of you. Okay? And no matter what, keep your hands on.
Wait for them. It's in the way.
No, that's fine.